What's the deal, YouTube? It's A-Boost360 back at it again with another banger. What's going on, everybody? Bucci gang, Wave gang, 360 gang, man. What's going on with everybody, man? I love all my supporters, man. I love y'all, for real, for real. Today's video is going to be about what steps you should do before you get your hair cut. You can be a coarse hair waver, medium hair waver, straight hair waver, any type of waver. I'm just going to let you know what steps you need to do before you get your hair cut. Because you can't go in a chair and you can't go to the barbershop with any type of, you got full of grease in your hair, you got... You got to go to the barbershop, make sure you got a nice, clean, I ain't even going to say it yet. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment below, smash the like button, subscribe if you're not, and let's get into it. Let's get into it. If you got a do-rag on, come out the rag. If you're watching this video, go get your brush, go get your mirror, go get everything. I like to do it with you guys. I like to do it step by step with you guys. I don't want to feel like I'm alone. I don't want to feel like that. I want to do it with you guys. So go get all the stuff. And I'll be right here. Oh yeah, and subscribe if you're not. Link below. Hey y'all finally got everything. Alright, let's get into it. You want to come out the rag. No, you want to make sure you got the right stuff. You want to make sure you got a comb. Any type of comb, it really doesn't matter. You want to make sure you got a medium brush, a soft brush, a hard brush. You want to make sure you got some conditioner. Make sure you got you some conditioner. You want to make sure you got you some of this. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure you got you a couple good products. Some oil. It's almost gone. This oil really works really good. I got it from Walmart. But anyway, let's get into it. If you got a rag on, let's come out the rag, man. Bucci gang. I know what time it is, man. We in here lit. Y'all know I'm always lit. Every video we lit, we turn. Because if you got that negative energy and you just don't have it, it's not gonna be no fun. It's gonna be boring. You gotta come turn. You gotta be turned, man. I do this for y'all. Let's come out the rag. Oh yeah, you wanna make sure my mirror is getting dirty. You wanna make sure you got your mirror. Let's come out the rag. I got a couple forks I've been working on, but don't mind it, don't mind it. No waver is ever perfect. You can see my hair starting to kind of curl up, but I'll be all right after this. After what I show y'all what I'm about to do. Watch how my hair look. Y'all see it right now. You see how it looks? Now watch this bounce back I'm finna do. Watch this. And this video is called Before You Get a Haircut. What things you need to do before you get your cut. The steps. So let's get into it. You want to make sure you got a comb. Now first off, you want to make sure you wash and style your hair, because you don't ever want to go to the barbershop with grease, conditioner, just everything clogged up in your hair, because for one, you're going to mess up your barber's clippers. He or she's going to be mad at you. Then you're just having your hair is getting greasy and it's just gonna be nasty. But I already did a wash and style like 2 days ago, so I'm not gonna do a re-wash and style. But basically, you wanna make sure you get a wash and style in first. Once you get that, you wanna get you a comb session in. I'm gonna show you right now. You wanna get you a good comb session in, because you don't wanna just keep brushing over your hair, because you're not getting deep in your roots. Especially, I haven't had a haircut since January 28th. That's my last haircut. I'm not on another wolf. I just haven't had a haircut. I'll probably get a haircut next week or something. It's been like a month I haven't had a haircut. I'm trying to train my hair to lay down at a long stage, like a rough stage. I want my hair to still be laid down. So I just been doing that lately, and trying to work on my swirl. You could kind of see it. It's getting like tighter and tighter, and it's starting to close up. So I ain't really worried about it. But you want to make sure you want to get a good comb session in, because if you're not combing, then you're not waving. As much as you need a brush, that's how much as you need a comb. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Like, as much as you need a brush, hear me, let me say that again. As much as you brush, and as much as you need a brush, you need a comb as well. Because the comb is really gonna get deep in your roots and lift that hair up and get it going and stop it from curling up. So you want to make sure you get you a good comb session in. A cool like 10 to 15 minutes comb session. I'm not going to do it that long because I don't want this video to be that long. I guess you guys get mad when I make long videos. Some of the supporters have complained, so I just try to keep my videos like 10, 15 minutes and not so long. Want to get you a good comb session. All right, let's look at that. You want to comb me with the grain to a good comb session in. After you get that comb session in, you want to hit it with the I hit it with the hard brush. I like to hit it with the hard brush so it can really get deep also down and pull your hair down. So I like to hit it with the hard brush and so it can pull my hair, because if you got a soft brush, especially like I haven't had a haircut in a month and some weeks, you need a hard brush. How you gonna brush your hair with a soft brush and it's not doing nothing to your hair? You're just brushing the fizz and the little hair. You need your hard brush. You need to get deep in that scalp. You need to pull that hair. You need to pull every single hair that's on top of your head. And how by doing that? How? A comb and a hard brush. I'm gonna show you right now. See, my crown is like right here. I just gotta close it up some more. You got a brush, man, you should be brushing with me. Should be brushing with me. No excuses. Every time I watch, look, real talk. Every time I watch wave videos, I brush with them. Why just watch it when I can learn something while I'm doing it also? You get what I'm saying? So it's like, you just want to brush. Hit it with the hard brush. And you want to make sure you laying it down. I got a couple forks, but don't mind it. Don't mind it. They're gonna be gone soon. No waver is perfect. Trust me. No waver is perfect. And after you hit it with the hard brush, look, I did the combing, the hard brush. The next step is the medium brush. And this is for any waver, any texture. You want to make sure you get this in. It's very, very important. Very important. I like to keep my hair real healthy too. I don't like my hair being dry. I like to keep my hair real moisturized and just real nice and thick. I'm gonna break them forks. I see y'all in my comments, he got forks. I'm gonna break them forks. Don't worry about it. I'm not elite yet. I told y'all that from day one. I'm not elite yet. I'm not. But I will be. So after you hit it with the medium brush, I don't want to do it for so long, but you want to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes on each one. 10 to 15 minutes on the comb in, 10 to 15 minutes on the hard brush, 10 to 15 minutes on the medium brush. I'm just kind of browsing through it just to show you guys and give you guys an idea. But after this video, I will for sure get the real session in after. So I'm just trying to show you guys real quick, because if I spend 15 minutes on each one, this video will be about 30 minutes, 40 minutes long. And I don't want it that long. So after you hit it with the medium brush, guess what's next? Because somebody said it in the comments. Oh, there we go. Soft brush. You want to hit it with a soft brush. So just lay everything down to make sure. I'm gonna hit it with the soft brush. Real good. See how my hair is laid down? And I haven't my last haircut was January 28th. Come on now, what are we in? March 9th? Come on now. And then after that, you want to hit it with a plastic bag. Let me go get that real quick. I'm back. I want to hit it with a plastic bag. And this is what you do before you get it cut. You don't want to put nothing in your hair. You don't want to put nothing in your hair. Even though I have my product right here, you don't want to put nothing in your hair because you're about to go get a haircut. So what's the point? You want to keep your hair nice and clean. You don't have no product in your hair at all. So you want to hit it with a plastic bag. You want to hit it with a plastic bag for a cool 10 to 15 minutes. What the plastic bag does, it lays down any frizzy hair that's on top that the brush couldn't lay down. Cause you know how you brush your hair and it lays down some of your hair, but some hair is still sticking up. This is what the plastic bag comes in handy for. And it works perfect. This is not really the real deal. I heard they have like a glove version, but I just haven't had a chance to get to it yet. So, you know me. So I just made me just a little just a homemade one. It's really, you can see in the mirror how deep my waves look. Just look at that. Look at that mirror right there. You see how deep that look? From me putting in that work. Put in that work. See that? Let's take a moment of silence just to look at that. That work in. And after you hit that plastic bag method, you want to rag up. You want to save your product. I said product. You want to save your progress. You want to rag up immediately. You don't want to go do this, go do that, because your hair is going to frizz back up. So when you want to rag up immediately, make sure you rag up, save your progress. You want to save, you know how you save a bag of chips, you eat it, and you don't eat them all and you save them for later. This is exactly what you want to do. You want to save your progress. You don't really want to just put it to waste. So you want to make sure you rag up immediately. You want to save it. Rag up. Rag up, and then boom, look. Look. Ragged up real quick. Do a 360 spin. Good rag. I call this the tail. Pull the tail down. And want to rag up. And boom. You see how easy that is? And I swear, you guys follow those steps and do exactly what I just did, your cut will even come out even better. Cause your hair will be trained for once. It'll be laid down properly, and it will just look amazing. And with the results you get after your cut, you're gonna be like, dang, a Butch 360 was right. Or dang, whatever waiver you seen it from, you're gonna say, dang, he was right. And you'll start like, dang, you'll start doing it more. So with that being said, man, this is A Butch 360. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, man. Smash the like button, comment, follow me on Instagram at A Butch 360. I'm following back, DM me for any tips. With that being said, if this video do good and it gets 200 thumbs, I will do a video on what should you do after a cut? Basically, what steps you should do after you get your hair cut. So make sure this video gets 200 thumbs ups, comments, and just let me know what you guys think, man. Cause I'm active and I love you guys, and I'm on the road to 10K subscribers. I'm at 7K subscribers. I thank you guys for getting me this far. I never thought I'd get 7K or get any Ks on YouTube. I always tell you guys this. I never thought that, but it's a blessing to be in this position and be in a position to guide certain people and certain waivers in the right direction. This is really a good opportunity. But with that being said, man, it's Bush 360, man. We Bucci gang, and man, we out gang.